Good morning, children.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you all? Fine?
Fine.
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 So, children, which chapter we are learning now?
Division.
Division. Okay. And in our last class, we have discussed the terms. Dividend. You remember? What are the terms? Dividend,
Yes.
divisor,
Quotient.
remainder.
Dividend, divisor, and quotient.
Okay, remainder. And what is the quotient means? That is the answer in the division. Yes, answer what we are going to get after the division. That is the answer is known as quotient. And the number to be divided, the big number to be divided, that is known as dividend. Okay. And which is the number we are by which number we are going to divide, that number is the divisor. And if any number left out after division, that remaining, that number is known as remainder. Okay. So children, can you hear me clearly? Yes. Okay. Yes, Evangel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So on your camera, Evangel, Asin, Angel, and all the children, turn on your camera. See, children, we are going to discuss now division. And if you don't know the multiplication table, division will be hard. So what you have to do? Study multiplication tables daily and listen carefully.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
when we are going to do division, all the children should be very attentive. Okay. When we do maths, means you have to be very attentive and study the multiplication tables. Then you will see that division will be easy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So all of you, please listen and look at the board. So I'm going to show you. Every time this EB board is having some problem, I think. We'll take whiteboard. Okay. So can you see the board, children? Aiden, can you see the board?
Yes.
Yes. So children, I'm going to write one small number, 3 digit. We learned this last year, I know, 328 divided by 2. So this is the 3-digit number and 1 digit, and we have discussed last year we have studied all these, but we are going to revise again. Now, Shabiri, tell me, Shabiri, unmute and tell me, which is the dividend here? Which is the dividend?
Ma'am, 2.
2 is the dividend. 328 divided by 2.
Ma'am, 3.
Which is the dividend, Len? 328 divided by 2. Which is the dividend?
Yes, ma'am.
Dividend 328 divided by 2. Yes, the big number that we are going to divide, that is known as dividend. Understood? The small number by which number we are going to divide, that is known as divisor. We learned this last class Monday. Do you remember? Yes, Shabari. Yes. We learned this last Monday, I think. Don't forget dividend. The big number that we are going to divide, that is dividend. And the small number outside we are writing, this is known as divisor. Divisor. Okay. So Algan, can you tell me which is the dividend here again? Which number is the dividend?
8.
Huh?
8? No, 329.
328. This is one number, not 8, not 2, not 3. The big number that we are going to divide. This is known as dividend. Okay. Nora, which is the divisor, Nora?
2. Two.
the small number. By which number we are going to divide, that is known as divisor. Okay. So children, you know now which is the dividend, which is the divisor. Now we are going to find the quotient, the answer. So for that, last year I have discussed 4 steps in the division. Do you remember? Divide,
Yes.
Mm.
Ma'am.
Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Yes, children, do you remember last year I have given you one word
Yes.
to remember?
Yes.
Yes, can you tell me?
Division by 0 is not possible.
No. I just asking this.
Dad.
Daddy, mummy,
Dad.
mummy,
Mom.
sister, brother. To remember the order: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Understood, children?
Yes.
These steps we will be repeating: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay. Now in our this question we are going to, all the children please pay attention. 328 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. So what we will do first, we will write the multiplication table. Who is speaking?
I can't see the board.
Who cannot see the board?
Annie.
Anay. What about others? What about others? Can you see the board, children?
Yes.
Yes. Now I am not sharing. So Anay, please check, maybe some network problem. Okay. Now I will share again and check. Okay. I will share again. So children, we are going, all of you please pay attention. We are going to do 328. This is the dividend. Outside, I'm going to write the smaller number, which is the divisor. And we have divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. These are the steps we are going to do. Children, I will explain one question, how to do division. After that, I will give you one question. So what you have to do, all the children, you have to listen carefully, then only you will be able to do alone. So one question I will show you. This is like these questions we have learned last year. Maybe you have forgotten. So to revise, I am showing one problem. After that, I will show you. I will give you one questions to do. So all of you please listen properly. So first step, what we will do, we will compare the first number. Okay, Mivel, which is the first number in the dividend, Mivel? Which is the first number in the dividend? 3. Okay. So children, we have the divisor 2. So we will write that multiplication table of 2. So Mivel, can you say faster that multiplication table of 2? Multiplication table of 2. Check.
1 to 2.
1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2,
4.
4. 3 into 2, 3 twos are
6.
6. And 4 twos are
8.
8. 5 twos are
10.
10. Okay. So all the children, please pay attention. How we know which number we have to take. So first number is 3. You have to compare the divisor and the first number. Now check 2 is smaller than 3. That means divisor is less, means we can divide. Okay. The 3 is bigger than our divisor 2. That means we can, if the number is big number, then we can divide. Now look at the multiplication table. Where will be 3? 3 will be in between 2 and 3. Okay. All of you please listen. Last year we have learned this and we are revising again. So all of you don't write anything now. And please pay attention. Now this 3 is in between 2 and 4. We cannot take 4 from 3. So which number we will take? We will take the number before. These 2 we have to subtract from 3. So 2 is the divisor. 2 is the divisor multiplied by which number that we have to write here. 2 into 1. So first step is divide. We divide 3 by 2. So we will look in the multiplication table. We will get 1 into 2 is 2. So after that we will multiply. 1 multiplied by 2 we have written here. Next step you have to do subtract. 3 minus 2. Okay. What is 3 minus 2, Akshaj? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 1. Okay, very good. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now, Delna, we have to bring down next number. Which is the next number? We have to bring
2.
down 2. So, we bring down 2. Yes? Okay. Now, look in your multiplication table. Is there any 12 in the multiplication table? Delna?
Yes.
2 multiplied by which number?
6.
Yes, very good. So we have to write 6 2s are 12. Again, you have to do subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. Now again, what we have to do? Bring down 8. Bring down, which is the number? 8.
8.
Okay. So Arav, look in the multiplication table and tell me 2 multiplied by which number we will get 8. Look in the multiplication table.
4.
4. Very good. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So we can take 8 minus 8, 0. Now children, if the remainder is 0, that is less than 2, we can see our division finished. If the remainder is smaller than, divisor, we can finish our division. So the answer is 164. What is the quotient we got? 164. Now we are going to check whether our answer or our division is correct. How we can check? We have to multiply quotient and divisor. Which is the quotient here? 164. Which is the divisor? 2. So we will multiply and check whether we will get. Let me see whether I can divide here. Okay, so which is the answer here? 164. 164 is the quotient. Multiplied by 2. Check whether we are going to get 328 because we have remainder 0. 4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. 1 is carry over. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 328. So we got our dividend. So our division is correct. Okay. So children, when we will check in our question, what is the dividend here? 328. So when we multiply 164 multiplied by the divisor 2, we got the dividend 328. So our division is correct. Now all the children, please try this question. 165 divided by 5. All of you write down this question in your rough book. All of you, please take this question 165 multiplied by 5 in your rough book. Yes, Muhammad Faris, which is the divisor here? Muhammad Faris, which is the divisor?
1.
Divisor is 1. I don't have any 1 here. I have 165 and 5. Yes, Adan. Which is the divisor, Adan? Which is the divisor here?
5.
5. Here 5, the number outside. Look here, by which number we are dividing? 5. That is the divisor. First step, we have to write the multiplication table. So, Adan, can you help me to write the table of 5? 1 into 5. Who can help me to? Ridu, please help me to write the multiplication table of 5. 1
Ma'am,
into 5.
ma'am,
1
1
into
5s
5.
are
5. 2
5.
into 5.
2 5s are 10.
2 5s are
10.
10. 3 into 5.
3 5s are 15.
15. 4 into 5.
4 5s are
mm,
4 5s are 20.
20. Okay. Now, children, next one. Learn. Now, we first what we have to do, we have to compare 1 and 5. 1. Can I divide 1 by 5?
No.
No. Why?
No.
Because that is small number. So what will I do? I will take 2 numbers together. Okay. Okay. Where is Len? Gone now here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
Len, 16. I am taking 16 because 1 is small number. I cannot divide. Now look here, 16 we have to divide. So here I have 15 and 20. Okay, Len, which number I have to take?
15.
15. Yes, all the children, please look here. 3 into 5 is 15. 3 into 5 is 15. We have to take. So 5 is already here. 5 threes are. What is 5 threes are?
5 3s.
15.
15. Now, and now what we have to do? Subtract. Yes, 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5?
1.
1. Next step, what will I do? I divided, then I multiply, I subtract. Now next step,
Bring
huh?
down.
Bring down.
Bring down.
Bring down. Now 15. Yes, Mevel, look at the board and tell me 15, I have to subtract by 5. Can you look at the multiplication table? Yes, Mevel?
Yes, ma'am.
Which question?
Can you see the question on the board? 165 divided by 5. Now we have, Len was helping me to do till 3 into 5 is 15. Then subtract 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down 5. Now look at the multiplication table and tell me 5 into which number is 15?
3.
3. Okay. Now I will divide 5 and 3. When you multiply, you will get 15. So this one we are going to take 3 into 5, 15. Now what I have to do? Can you help me? 15 minus 15. What is 15 minus 15?
0.
0. So children, our division is over. Now all the children has to check whether our division is correct. All of you check 33 multiplied by 5 and tell me whether you got our dividend 165. All of you, 33 multiplied by 5 and check whether our division is correct or wrong.
MUTC.
All of you multiply the quotient and divisor. Look at the board, which is the quotient 33, which is the divisor 5. 33 multiplied by 5. Find out the answer whether it is correct or wrong. 5 into 3 is 15. 1 is carry over. 5 threes are 15 plus 1, 16. So 165, we got our dividend 165. So how many children got this 33 as answer when you divided? Yes, children? This question we have to practice a little more questions, then only you will be able to. So what are the steps, children? Yes. And did you check whether you got correct answer when you multiplied 33 multiplied by 5? Did you get the dividend 165?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So what are the steps, children, we have to do? First you have to divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Bring down. Okay. Now, take another question fast. Next one, I will give you 232 divided by 2. All of you first start writing the multiplication table of 2. All these 3 digit by 1 digit we have learned last year. And this year we have to start with the 2 digit. So I am practicing you with the 1 digit. So all the children please take out and try to do alone. 232 divided by 2. Children, please turn on your camera, all of you. Bennett, are you there? Bennett. So children, first what you have to do? Write the multiplication table of 2. Multiplication table of 2. 1 into 2. 2. 2 into 2. 4. 3 into 2. 6. 4 into 2. 8. 5 into 2. 10. Okay, Nora, help me to divide this one. First, which number you have to divide? Nora, please unmute. Compare 2 and 2. 2 divided by 2. First number. They are same. Same means we can divide. Okay, Nora? Now look in the multiplication table. Where is 2? You can see.
1 into 2.
Very good. 1 into 2. Children, all of you please note. Here you have to take the largest number that can be subtracted from 2. So here we can take 2 into 1 is 2. Okay. Now next what we have to do? Yes, Nora, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Next what we have to do?
Need to subtract.
Subtract. So children, first step is divide. We divided 2 divided by 2. Then we got 1. Then next step is multiply. 1 into 2 we have written here. Now next step is subtract. Yes, 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Okay. Now next step is bring down. Okay. Nora, which number I have to bring down?
3.
3. So I have bring down 3. Now look at the multiplication table and tell me which number I can subtract from 3.
4.
Can you take 4 from here? 3 minus 4 can I take?
No.
No. So again we can take only. See here 3 is between 2 and 4. So we cannot take the big number. Can you take subtract 4 from 3? No. So we have to take the number before 1 into 2 again. Okay? So 1 multiplied by 2, we had to do again same steps. Now next again what you have to do? 1 into 2 multiply. Then what you have to do? Subtract. What is 3 minus 2?
1.
1. Now again what do I have to do? After subtraction which is the next step? Bring down. Yes? Which number I have to bring down?
2.
2. Now look in the multiplication table. Where is 12? You can see.
6
2
times
multiplied by which number?
6.
So I will circle this one. I know the divisor is here. 2 multiplied by 6. 6 2s are 12. Now subtract. You will get 0. Now compare the remainder and divisor. 0 is less than 2. So our division is over. Now I'm going to check whether my division is correct or wrong. I'm going to check. What will I do, children? Quotient multiplied by divisor. 116 is the answer, and that is known as the quotient multiplied by 2. 6 2s are. Yes, Angelo, help me to multiply these numbers. 6 2s are
12.
12. I will write here 2, 1 carry over. 1 into 2?
2.
2 plus 1?
2.
3.
3.
Okay. 2 into 1?
2.
2. Now here 0 I have to add. When you add 0, 232 only. So I got my dividend. That means my division is correct. Okay, children, is that clear, all of you? First, what I have to do, I have to write the multiplication tables. Then I will start comparing the first number. 2 divided. If it is equal to or bigger than the divisor, we can divide. Here 2 and 2, they are same. I look in the multiplication table. 1 into 2 is 2. Then I will do multiply. 1 times 2, 2. Then subtract 2 minus 2, 0. Then I have to do bring down. Which is the number to be bring down? 3. Again, check in the multiplication table. I know 2 and 4, the 3 is between 2 and 4. But I cannot take the bigger number. So what will I do? I will take the smaller number. Then when I do division, the answer is, and I have checked whether my, how will I check whether my division is correct or wrong? I will take the quotient multiplied by divisor. If I'm getting the dividend, my division is correct. Okay, children, do you understood now? Yes or no? Can you do one question alone? Which video is not? Bennett, Binu, Evangel, Steve, all of you please turn on your camera. Camera, Shabari, Faris. Okay, next question I'm going to give you. Please take down. 54 divided by 2. 54 divided by 2. All of you. Fif 54 divided by 2. Did you write the question? (54) divided by 2. First start writing the multiplication table of 2. Multiplication table of 2. Some children still not started writing. Where is your rough book? Shivadyan? Are you writing? 54 divided by 2. So children, start writing the multiplication table. 1 into 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Yes, Krishnesh, unmute and do what I can do first. I will take 5. 2 is smaller than 5. Yes?
Yes,
5
ma'am.
is big number. That means I can divide. Yes or no? Yes, Krishnesh? Now look in the multiplication table. Which number I can divide here? 5 I have to divide by 2.
6.
Can I take 6 from 5?
No.
Can I take 6 from 5?
Ma'am.
No. So you have to take the number before.
4.
4 and 5. 5 will be between 4 and 6. But don't take 6 because I cannot take 6 from 5. So I will take number before. Okay. 2 times which number is 4? Krishnesh, look at, I have circled here.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 times which number?
2.
2. Yes, 2 into 2 is 4. I cannot take 6, so I have crossed it. So I take 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4?
1.
1. Next step. Division is over. Multiplication is over. Subtraction is over. Next, what I have to do?
Bring down.
Bring down 4. Now look in the multiplication table. Is there any 14? Is there
No.
any 14?
No.
Can you see the multiplication table on the board? I have written here
Yes.
and I have circled. Can you see my 14 on there?
Yes, ma'am.
Which number? 2 into which number?
7 into 2.
7 into 2. So 7 times 2 is 14. Okay. Now I divide 14 by 2. I got 7. Then I multiplied 7 into 2, 14. Now I am going to subtract 14 minus 14, 0. So the answer is 27. Now you can check whether you got correct answer. 27 multiplied by 2, 7 2s are 14. 1 carry over, 2 into 2, 4, plus 1, 5. Yes, I got dividend 54. My division is correct. How many got correct answer? This 27. 54 divided by 2. How many got correct answer? Yes, children? Is it okay?
Yes.
Now the time is over. You have to practice. Take down the question 3, 2, 2 divided by 2. All of you, homework. 300 and now the time is over.
What is the question?
Yes. Look at the board. 322 divided by 2. Homework. 322 divided by 2. Write down this homework. 322 divided by 2. Children, the time is up. Okay, children, bye. Thank you. You have to study all the multiplication tables. Okay. Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.